Hey Lisa, do you have a minute?
Sure, Tom, what do you need?
I'm trying to use this new software, but I don't understand it at all.
Oh, that one, I use it every day. It's actually pretty easy once you know the basics.
Really? It looks so complicated to me.
Don't worry, come sit next to me. I'll show you step by step.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver. Where do I start?
First, click this button here. See, this opens the main menu.
Okay, I see it. And then what?
Now choose what you want to do. Do you want to create a new file?
Yes, I need to make a report for our meeting.
Perfect. Click New Document right here.
Got it. Wow, this is easier than I thought.
See, I told you. Now you can type your report here in this box.
This is great, but how do I save it?
You just click this little disk icon at the top. That's the save button.
A disk icon, that's so old-fashioned. Nobody uses disks anymore.
Haha, I know, right? But everyone still uses that symbol for saving.
That's funny. Okay, I clicked it. Now what happens?
A window will pop up. Type a name for your file there.
Alright, I'll name it Meeting Report. Is that okay?
Perfect, now click save and you're done.
Yes, I did it. This wasn't so hard after all.
See, you just needed someone to show you. You'll be an expert soon.
Thanks so much, Lisa. You're the best teacher ever.
No problem. Just remember, if you get stuck, ask me anytime.
I will. Maybe I can teach you something someday too.
Haha, deal. I still can't figure out the coffee machine in the break room.
Oh, that one, it's super tricky. Let me show you after lunch.
Really? That would be amazing. I always get confused by all the buttons.
It has like 20 buttons, but I know the secret trick.
A secret trick? Now I'm curious. You have to tell me.
Haha, you helped me so I'll help you. That's what coworkers do.
Exactly, we're a team. Now let's get back to work.
Sounds good, and thanks again, Lisa.
Anytime, Tom. Happy to help.